Hi, let's take steps to going over the lateral raise. It's a shoulder strengthening exercise, more particularly for that middle part of your shoulder, the middle deltoid. And so what I want you to do here is get into a power stance. I want you hip width apart with your feet and have a softness in your knees and ankles so that way you're not locking into the joints. And then we're gonna pull our hips in line with our ribs and feel that like belt around our torso. We're gonna inhale, just take a breath here, get into that stance, pull the shoulders down into a neutral position. You'll feel a tightening underneath your armpits, tightening the shoulder blade against the chest wall right there. So you're not too far back and not too far forward. Elbows in line with the shoulders, directly below it, and then the elbows just slightly bend, so your wrists are just slightly out in front of you. We're gonna take a big inhale here, and then raise our elbows to our shoulders. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And that is the lateral raise. Let me know what you think.